SideFans and Sidekick, also knows any of those name you can call it, actually brought an update which I'm going to be sharing to you in this particular video right now. Like, if you actually join this particular project in the earlier stage, you are going to know that the mining has currently ended. Then you are going to be getting your reward right now. So this is the update that actually came up. Now we need to connect our Solana wallet into this particular project right now. So how do you get that done? And this is what I'm going to be sharing in this particular video. But before we proceed, please, if you haven't subscribed, do well to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell icon, so when I drop a new video, you are going to be notified to see it right here. And also give this video a thumb like at the end of this particular video right now. So the first thing first, right, is to click on this particular site, click on assets right here. So once you click on assets, it's going to pop up just this way. Then you can see I have an item right here. I have an item right here which I'm going to click on. Then I can redeem it right here. So I'm just going to click on redeem right here. So I've currently redeemed and created it right here. So that is very nice. So this particular site is where you connect your wallet. So just scroll down, check this particular site, receiver address right here, then click on confirm. Right, so do you want to do you have a Solana address? Yes. If you don't have, you have to create one with Python right here. So Solana, so I click on yes, I have one. So I'm going to copy my right here. So let me just go ahead to copy. All right, so this is actually this is the Solana, this is the Townkeeper, I said Townkeeper, Python rather. So I'm going to click on copy right here, then come back to this. Right, so once I come back to this, I'm going to paste this right here and click on it. Right, so I'm going to click on confirm. Right, so this is actually going to be asking me that if I actually want to put this real, so I have to confirm. You can see the process is irreversible and unmodifiable, so make sure you cross check this very well before you post. So if this is actually correct, just click on this particular site. It is my Solana address, and if you want to change this, click on this particular site. Please do not make any mistake right here. I'm going to click on it, right, and this is actually going to load. So it's currently loading right here. Let's wait for what it's going to bring at the end of the interface right now. So it's keep loading and keep loading right here.